这个房位于分路，在湖南大酒店附近。这个房进出方便，进路比较宽，大约6米到8米左右。这里周边安静，还有气候通风比较好。从这里走到市中心，走到东都大学，走到北部车站，走到三江都比较方便。这个房总共有6个房间，7个卫生间，装修是比较好，比较有档次的房。装修的细节是很好的，而且配家具是比较有档次的。这里就是餐厅、厨房、室内厨房。这个后面的可以作为室外，但是也是室内厨房。这个房有2个厨房，在房子里面。这个是公用洗手间。This house is located on substrate. The entry road is wide and is good for access. It is also the concrete road. As you can see, the house decoration is good and neat. The household appliance and the furniture is new. This house has total 3 floors, 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Here is not far to Sangjiang Market, to Crown Plaza and go to the city center. In this area, the road is new and wide. As you can see, the floor, the second floor and the third floor is made by wood. The floor is made by wood. It's convenient for your living. The bedroom is wide, the bathroom also wide and separated from the toilet and the shower area. Every bedroom also have a balcony. The balcony also wide. 这个房每个房间都有阳台，每个阳台都比较宽，住起来比较舒服。而且您可以看那个周边的风景，因为这个房比较高，旁边是比较低，还有那个草原。这里就是小孩用为小孩玩的房间เรือนหลังนี้ประกอบด้วย3ชั้น6ห้องนอน7ห้องน้ำใกล้กับโรงแรม湖南 Grand Hotel ปีสลานฝั่งที่ชาน公司